I'm Cindy McCullough, coming to you from InfoComm 2026. Very excited to talk about our new product line. It's called the Planar 21x9 series, and it's a 5K immersive display. Comes in 3 different sizes, 81, 94, and 105. Actually, what makes this this product unique is that it uses quantum dot mini LED backlight, and this allows the panel to have over 2,560 local dimming zones and up to 2,500 peak brightness. A plethora of other things such as 1,000,000:1 HDR dynamic contrast, and also has a great variety of certifications from HDR 10 Plus to Display HDR 1400, and also with the ultra thin mount that ships with each display, it allows the display to be ADA compliant, less than 4 inches from the wall. So come on by, visit us here at InfoComm, or visit planar.com for more information. Thank you.